Are you a coffee enthusiast looking for a high-quality espresso machine that brings the cafe experience into your home? Look no further than this Breville BE870XL Barista Express. This all-in-one espresso machine, part of Breville's Barista series, allows you to go from bean to cup in under 1 minute, offering a premium coffee experience without the need to leave your house. In this in-depth review, we will explore the unique features of the Breville coffee maker, explain why it stands out in the crowded world of espresso machines, and highlight how this machine can make your mornings or afternoons just a little bit more special. 1. First impressions. Design and build quality. The Breville Barista Express has a sleek and modern design that immediately catches the eye. Made from brushed stainless steel, it not only looks professional, but is also built to last. Its compact size means it fits seamlessly into most kitchen countertops without taking up too much space. Whether you're a seasoned barista or a coffee newbie, the intuitive design makes it accessible and easy to use. Key features. Stainless steel body. Durable and stylish. Compact design, fits on most countertops, making it perfect for home kitchens. User-friendly interface, easy to navigate even for beginners. This espresso machine is equipped with everything you need to create cafe-quality espresso at home. From an integrated grinder to a powerful steam wand for texturing milk, it's a machine designed for those who love both the craft and the taste of a good espresso. Dose control. Grinding, fresh coffee. Every time. One of the standout features of the Breville Barista Express is its integrated precision conical burr grinder, which grinds coffee beans on demand. With this machine, you can say goodbye to pre-ground coffee and enjoy the full flavor of freshly ground beans. Whether you prefer a light roast or a dark, bold blend, the machine allows you to customize the grind size to match your taste. Why fresh grinding matters. Coffee begins to lose its flavor and aroma shortly after being ground. By grinding the beans fresh, the Breville Barista Express ensures you're always getting the best possible cup of coffee. The dose control feature lets you adjust the amount of ground coffee used for each shot, allowing you to fine-tune your espresso to your liking. Pro tip: start with a medium grind setting if you're new to espresso machines. Adjust the grind size as you become more familiar with the machine and your taste preferences. 3. Optimal water pressure and pre-infusion for perfect extraction. The Breville coffee maker takes coffee making to another level with its low-pressure pre-infusion system. This feature ensures that the coffee grounds are evenly saturated before the high-pressure extraction begins. The result? A balanced and flavorful espresso with every shot. Additionally, the machine uses digital temperature control, PID, to deliver water at precisely the right temperature for optimal extraction. Consistent water temperature is crucial for extracting the full range of flavors from your coffee beans, and Breville has nailed this with their PID system. What makes pre-infusion special? The pre-infusion process gently soaks the coffee grounds before the full pressure extraction, leading to a more even and consistent flavor profile. Combined with precise water temperature control, this feature ensures that your espresso is rich, smooth, and never bitter. 4. Manual microfoam milk texturing. Become your own barista. If you're a fan of lattes, cappuccinos, or flat whites, the Breville Barista Express has you covered. The machine features a manual steam wand that allows you to create perfectly textured microfoam milk, essential for latte art and a smooth, creamy texture in your milk-based coffee drinks. The benefits of manual milk texturing. You have full control over the texture and temperature of your milk, allowing you to create a variety of coffee drinks with precision. The steam wand's powerful performance ensures that the milk is frothed evenly, making it easy to achieve that silky, professional-grade microfoam. 5. Espresso machine with built-in coffee grinder. Convenience meets quality. One of the best features of the Breville coffee maker is its built-in coffee grinder. Not only does this eliminate the need for a separate grinder, but it also ensures that your coffee beans are ground directly into the portafilter, reducing waste and keeping the workflow seamless. The grind size dial is another handy feature, allowing you to easily control the grind size for different types of coffee beans. This flexibility ensures that whether you're using a light roast or a dark roast, the machine can handle it with ease. 6. Included accessories. Everything you need in one package. This comprehensive set of tools ensures that you have everything you need to get started right out of the box. 7. Energy efficiency and easy maintenance. Another great feature of the Breville coffee maker is its energy-saving mode. The machine automatically powers down after a period of inactivity, helping to reduce your energy usage. If you're serious about your coffee and want to bring the full barista experience into your home, the Breville Barista Express is a fantastic investment. Its combination of high-quality materials, innovative features, and ease of use makes it a top choice for both beginners and seasoned coffee enthusiasts. Whether you're pulling a single shot of espresso or crafting a complex coffee drink, this machine delivers consistent, delicious results every time. With its built-in grinder, precision control, and steam wand, you have everything you need to brew cafe-quality coffee at home. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.